So here we have a fairly decent example of poison hemlock, Conium maculatum. It's commonly confused with, in the UK and in Europe and certain parts of North America, Anthruscus sylvestris, the cow parsley plant. But more commonly in Wisconsin, you're going to see it confused with Queen Anne's lace, Dorcas carota, wild carrot. As you might be able to see if you've ever seen wild carrot's normally a maximum of 12, 24 inches high, something like that. This is, I think, about 7 feet at the moment. The flowers are completely different. They have no discernible bracts, or not very large bracts on the underside. The stem of poison hemlock is spotted, that's what maculatum means, maculated, spotted. So it has red spots on it. It also has, if you look further down, has a kind of white bloom, which is a wild yeast, which is fairly typical of Conium maculatum, poison hemlock. It's not often found on other Apiaceae necessarily. It's also not hairy, whereas Queen Anne's lace is hairy on the stem. The queen has hairy legs as a common mnemonic for that one. And generally, oh, actually there's some wild carrot here. So as you can see, this one's fairly small, has hairy stems. Obviously this one's probably been cut down at some point. But right next to it you've got the poison hemlock with fairly distinctive spotting on the stem. Much taller. And if you get to the point where you can't identify it from just its typical features, you can actually look at the seeds. All Apiaceae, all carrot and celery family plants are best identified from the seeds. That's poison hemlock. Thanks for watching.